Hi, Tom Hughes here, and this is a video on the best lean tour I've been on for a long time, Hampton Conservatories in Northern Ireland. So we started off in the morning meeting, doing our stretches, and everybody was super engaged.
Artistry. So we got that new piece of machinery, and so there's a step process there, and if you're not sure...
You were throwing these out,
Yeah.
and they're costing a quid or two a piece.
Yes, they were.
And now you've worked a way to join them together. No more waste.
Yes, we can. We saved £1,500 on one job because
On a single job?
On a single job, £1,500 because we'd all scraps, enough scraps there to do one job. So
Offcuts are a problem in so many.
yeah, and just
Industry.
thinking about it. If you think more about it, what can we actually do with it? You'll get a challenge your team. There's 30 people standing there to come up with that within a day. We offered up a prize to the team that got that, so yeah, asked them what they wanted, so they wanted a case of beer each, so we got them a case of beer.